Okay, in number 20, ABC is an equilateral triangle and AD is perpendicular. So AD will bisect the side BC into equal halves, and you have to prove that 4AD square equals to 3AB square. So let us consider the triangle, right angle triangle ABD. So using Pythagoras theorem, you will get AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Now BD, we can write BD as half of BC. So writing it as half of BC. So we get 1 by 4, and BC, actually we have to prove AB square, 3AB square. So we can write BC as AB. So writing it as AB. So then we can write AB square minus 1 by 4 AB square equals to AD square. Now do the calculation, you will get 3 by 4 AB square, that is equals to AD square. Now from here you can get 3 AB square equals to 4 AD square easily. Okay, in number 21 the figure is given like this, and you have to prove these three things. So let's start with the first one. Since you have to prove this 4AD square, so we'll consider this triangle, that is ACD. Okay, so from triangle ACD you will get AD square equals to AC square plus CD square using Pythagoras theorem. Now since you have to prove 4AD square, so we will multiply each term by 4. So multiplying, we get 4AD square equals to 4AC square plus 4CD square. Now just look at this, these two are matched, we have to prove this thing only. So we can write CD as half of BC because it's given D and E are midpoints. So writing it as half of BC whole square. So we get BC square by 4, 4 cancels out, and you get 4AD square equals to 4AC square plus BC square. Now number 2 is same, just pause the video and do it yourself. I hope all of you have completed this number 2. Let's do number 3. Look at this, what you have to prove, 4AD square plus BE square. This one is number 1, this one is number 2. Simply add both the equations. So you get 4AD square plus 4BE square equals to 4AC square plus AC square plus 4BC square plus BC square. Now take out 4 common, 4AD square plus BE square. Now what you will get, 5AC square and 5BC square. So writing it as like this, AC square plus BC square. Now look at the figure and tell me what is AC square plus BC square. I hope you are getting it. Look at this, AC square plus BC square is equals to AB square by Pythagoras theorem. Hence the theorem is proved. In number 22 we have to prove this. It's given ABC is a triangle, AD, BE and CF are medians. It means median AD will divide the side BC into equal halves, and similarly for others. So let us consider the triangle APB. APB is a right angle triangle. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Let us draw a perpendicular from A to BC. So we can write from this triangle, that is APB, that AB square is equals to AP square plus BP square using Pythagoras theorem. Now AP square plus, you can write BP as BD minus PD. Simple, BD minus PD whole square. Now use A minus B whole square formula and expand it. So you will get BD square plus PD square minus 2BD PD. Okay, now bring these two terms together, plus BD square minus 2BD dot PD. So AP square plus PD square, look at this, AP square plus PD square, you can write AD square, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, BD square minus 2BD dot PD. Now you can write BD as half of BC because D divides the side BC into equal halves. So we can write BD as half of BC. I will tell why I am doing all these things. Half of BC whole square minus 2 BD into, sorry, we can write BD as half of BC into PD. Now AD square plus 1 by 4 BC square minus 2 cancels out. So you get BC dot PD. Make it 1. Okay, now the main motive to draw this perpendicular is to relate the sides with the median. Okay, because if we don't do this, then we cannot relate the sides with the median. So we are doing all these things. Similarly, we can consider from triangle APC. Sorry, yes, APC. Listen, in first case we have taken APB, now we are taking APC. Okay, so we can write AC square is equals to AP square plus PC square. In the same way we will proceed, like we can write PC as PD plus DC. Okay, writing it as PD plus DC whole square. Expand it using the formula A plus B whole square, that is you will get PD square plus DC square plus 2 PD dot DC. Now bring these two terms are together only, so look at this figure. AP square plus PD square is equals to AD square na, so we can write AD square plus, now we can write DC as half of BC, so writing it as half of BC whole square plus 2 PD dot half of BC. 2 cancel out, so you get AD square plus 1 by 4 BC square plus PD dot BC. So make it 2. Now you have to add both these two equations. Okay, after adding these two equations, we get the equation like this. Now, in the previous one, we have drawn perpendicular from A to side BC. If we have drawn perpendicular from B to AC or C to AB, would have get the equations like this one and this one. So naming it as 4 and 5. Now add all the three equations, that is 3, 4. So adding 3, 4 and 5 equation, we will get twice AB square plus BC square plus CA square equals to twice AD square plus BE square plus CF square plus half of AB square plus BC square plus CA square. Since these two terms are same, so we will do the calculation of these two terms and we will get that is 2 AB square. Okay, 2 minus half, you will get 3 by 4, isn't it? 3 by 4 AB square plus BC square plus CA square equals to 2 AD square plus BE square plus CF square. Sorry, here it will be 2. Okay, because the denominator was 2. Now 3AB square plus BC square plus CA square equals to 2 into 2, that is 4 AD square plus BE square plus CF square. Hence the theorem is proved. In number 24, it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral with angle B and angle D as 90 degree, and you have to prove this. So consider the triangle. From triangle ABC, we can write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, mark it as number 1. And similarly, from triangle ADC, you can write AC square equals to AD square plus CD square, mark it as 2. Now add both the equations, 1 plus 2. So you will get 2AC square equals to AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus CD square. Now look at the right hand side, AB, AD, DC. So AB, AD, CD. This will be on right hand side and this BC will come on left hand side. So it was super duper easy sum. Proved. in 23 you have to prove this, and this figure is given, and this it is said that the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So since we have to prove AB square, so we will consider this triangle. So from triangle AOB you can write AB square equals to AO square plus OB square. Mark it as number 1. Next one is CD. So consider this triangle. So from triangle COD you can write CD square equals to OC square plus OD square. Mark it as number 2. Now add both the equations. You will get AB square plus CD square equals to OA square. Writing it as OA. Okay, it will be better. OA square equals OA square plus OB square plus OC square plus OD square. Now look at the right hand side of this equation, that is AD. How you will get AD? That is OD plus OA. So OD plus OA, bring both the terms together. Now BC. How you will get BC? That is OB plus OC. So bring these two terms together, and your theorem is proved. AD square plus BC square. Okay, in number 25 we have to prove that DC square minus BD square equals to this. So let us consider a triangle, right angle triangle ADC. From triangle ADC, DC square is equals to AC square plus AD square. So you can write AD as AB plus BD. So writing it as AB plus BD square. Now AC square plus AB square plus BD square plus 2AB dot BD. Now look at this, DC square minus BD square. So we will take this to the left hand side. So you got AC square plus AB square plus 2AB dot BD. Now AC square, already given AC is equals to AB. So we can write AC as AB. Okay. Now AB plus AB, 2AB square, 2AB dot BD. You can take 2AB as common. So taking it out, common. AB plus BD. Now look at the figure and tell me what is AB plus BD. AB plus BD is AD. So hence proved. Okay, in 26 you have to prove this one. So, and it has been said that ABC is an isosceles triangle. BC is produced to D, and we are adding a construction, that is AP perpendicular to BC. Okay, now consider the triangle. From triangle APD, okay, you can write AD square equals to AP square plus PD square. Now PD square can be written as PC plus CD. PC plus CD whole square. Expand it using A plus B whole square formula to PC dot CD. Okay. Now AP square plus PC square. Look at carefully. AP square plus PC square can be written as AC square. So writing this as AC square plus CD square plus 2PC dot CD. Okay, now PC can be written as half of BC, because AP is perpendicular to BC, and in isosceles triangle the perpendicular bisects the side. So you can write CD square plus 2. PC can be written as half of BC. 2 cancel out. Now look at this, here CD square, here CD. So take out CD as common. You will get CD plus BC. AC square plus CD into CD plus BC. CD plus BC means BD. And here your theorem is proved.